How to leave a review on Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can leave a review on Facebook page, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to leave a review on a Facebook page, all you have to do is just open up your browser, navigate to facebook.com website, and then just search for the page that you would like to leave a review for. So just search for a page. Now most likely you will find all these options where you'll also find the option called reviews. In case you don't find it here, you can just click on more and then look for the reviews option. Not reviews given, so just select, keep in mind, not the reviews given but only reviews. Just tap on the review option, and once you click on review, you'll be able to see all the reviews that other people have actually made for this page. If you want to leave your own review, it says, do you recommend this page? Just click on yes, and now just choose a star. So just select what do you want to recommend about this product or this page. So just go ahead and select your review over here, and then once you've selected your review, if you want to share this to public, you can select public, or you can select friends accept this, friends only, me, specific friends, and so on. Just click on done, and then all you need to do is just click on the post button over here in order to be able to share this review. And that is all on how you can leave a review for a Facebook page. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.